Reclaim your masculinity. You've heard me say this phrase a gazillion times in the past. What does it all mean? What have I learned in the last 3 years that I want to share with you in this video? First and foremost, I want to talk about what is killing your manhood, your vitality, your energy, your drive, your confidence. When you go into the world, there are a lot of toxins out there. Modern life, eating unhealthy, not exercising, being stagnant, not having that purpose, not having that focus. We have a cortisol spike every time we hear something bad on the news or on the internet. There's a lot of drivers in our environment that is causing high estrogen levels, not just high cortisol levels. And our hormones become unbalanced because of it. Then you get your blood test done. You go to the doctor and he looks at your blood test and he says, it's a sign of old age. It's a sign of modern life. It's just a factor. Nothing you can do about it. Let me tell you something. They're wrong. I'm here to tell you today that they are all wrong. Over the last 3 years, all of my coaching clients that I've had, me, myself, all the self-experimentation I've done, I found that there is a certain way to do it naturally. Diet, exercise, sleep, getting rid of certain toxins, having a certain type of mentality to keep your cortisol levels down, a certain type of regimen to lower estrogen levels or not let estrogen get into your body. And we all follow that. The issue with that is that my coaching clients, myself, after a certain time, I realized that these conventional methods are not making me feel amazing. They're not making me feel unstoppable, that relentless feel that you know what that is. You've had it before, but you don't have it anymore. So about 3 years ago, I started also experimenting with herbs. And over the last 1.5 to 2 years, I've been experimenting heavily with herbs. And why herbs? Well, it's Mother Nature. It's plants. It's something natural. It's something that grows. And it's something that is very safe. Now, what I found is that the current supplement industry is very toxic. There's a lot of ingredients in these supplements that are harmful to your health. I took many of them and I realized that they did not work or they impacted me in a negative way. So when you think of synergy and how different ingredients will mix and match with each other to give you the best benefit, when you think of dosages, when you think of ratios, when you think of cycling, when you think of balance, I wanted to make something that takes all of these concepts into account and gives us, men, our natural edge. It's not a magic pill. It's not something that is the end-all. But if you've been following, and you still are following, my protocols for naturally increasing and maximizing your vitality, your drive, your energy, your focus, your physical performance, then if you want something extra, what I call man's natural edge, then this herb that I formulated is for you. And I'm very proud to say that in the upcoming workshop, I will be introducing this herb, this formula that I have invented myself. And this herb I've been taking for the last 8 months every single day. It does not need to be cycled like a lot of other herbs do. Why? because there's a balance. The 4 ingredients that I've used, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about these ingredients. One of them is tonkatali. It is the most researched herb when it comes to vitality, energy, drive, for men specifically. Then there is hushubu, which we are using as a base product in this herb. There are many benefits of hushubu as well, and if you've seen my YouTube videos and in my Instagram, I've talked about these, and I will be discussing these benefits in the workshop. Then there is Sishandra berry, which I call the fruit of the bedroom. It is the berry which allows for the optimum blood circulation to your organs, your reproductive organs, to your gonads, that you require to have that amazing, unstoppable performance in the bedroom. So that's in there. And finally, pearl powder, which we are using as a balancing mechanism, as a cooling, calming effect to make this herb fully grounded and very much balanced so you can take it every day. Because I got sick and tired of cycling. You take this herb for 5 days and then 2 days you can't take it and you can't reap the benefits. Why? A lot of those supplements in the market are additives. There are a lot of synthetic, artificial ingredients in there, and I did not want to have that in the herb that I made. So I will be introducing that in the upcoming workshop, and that's what I want to tell you in this video. The workshop is going to be amazing. You've attended the previous 2 webinars. If you have, we went on for 6+ hours in each webinar. I answered hundreds and hundreds of questions. And this workshop's going to be different because I will be demonstrating the herbal formula that I've made. I will be talking about the mechanisms involved in what happens when you are in the bedroom, what is happening in your body, what is happening day to day with your energy levels, with your vitality. I will be going into the scientific mechanisms of each, because I'm sick and tired of talking to the beginners, talking to the novices, rookies of regaining our manhood and our masculinity. So this will be very advanced. And that is why, in order for you to apply, you must fill out a form. You must apply for this workshop. The previous webinar, you just sign up and you come. This is very different. I want a certain type of individual to be in this workshop. If you are interested in getting man's natural edge, you're interested in understanding the science of what happens in the bedroom, the science of each of the ingredients in these herbs. If you've never heard of herbs before, if you've never heard of cycling and adaptogen and synergistic effects and ratios and dosages and the 4 ingredients that I just named that are in this herb, if you're unaware of that, come to this workshop. You will have your mind blown, because I will be going into what is Chinese medicine, what is functional medicine, what is naturopathic medicine. And how does a neuroscientist like me, a PhD, a doctor like me, get into this topic, and how it's helped me tremendously to become unstoppable and get that edge and just be amazing as a man in life and, of course, in the bedroom. And if you follow me on Instagram, you will know that I've been taking this for the last 8 months. I've been showing you how I take it. If you haven't seen this, go on my Instagram at Doc Testosterone and add yourself, follow me, and you'll be seeing that every day until the workshop. And if you've already been seeing me, you've been seeing me for the last 8 months doing this. And for those of you who are new to who I am, my name is Dr. Farhan Ph.D. I'm a PhD in neuroscience. I've been doing research on male hormones for the last 4 to 5 years. I've gone through a ton of experiences in life. I've coached more than 200 clients. Last night, I had a group coaching call with 14 really amazing guys, and we went on for 4+ hours, a lot of questions answered. And in this webinar, I will be answering questions throughout. So any questions you have about masculinity, about energy, about performance in the bedroom, physical performance, confidence, vitality, drive, bring them. I will answer them very happily, as I've been doing in the last 2 webinars. And again, this is going to be different. It's for advanced guys. It's for people who seek advanced knowledge. It's not for rookies who complain and don't take action. So if you are ready to find out about this new herb that I've created, and if you are ready to join the Academy, which will be launched for the first time at this workshop, the website that we've been creating will be launched at this workshop. I will show you what happens when you become a member of our Academy. What do you get every month? What content do you get that is not available anywhere on the internet, anywhere on any social media platform, or from any person out there? If you really want to understand how Mother Nature, the planet Earth, what it can give us in terms of plants and herbs, and the ratios and cycling and dosages associated with each of those, and how things come together to make a balance and give you that natural edge that you need in life, in work, at school, with your partner in the bedroom, then come to this workshop. It is going to be fantastic, and it's going to be the best work I've ever done. I'm very excited, man. I was about to tell you the name. I'm not going to tell you the name of it. You can see it on this site. And I want to reveal the name of these things. Yeah, I know it's available on the site, but I want to reveal it formally at the workshop. So please come. You know, what is the name of this herb? If you're on Instagram, obviously you know. It starts with an A. What is the name of our Academy that will be launched upcoming workshop? Again, it starts with an A. And I'm very happy to launch this at the workshop. So fill out the form below. Just click the button down below, fill out an application. It takes 1 to 2 minutes, a few questions that will be asked, because we want to make sure you're a good fit for this workshop. Not everyone will be invited. So if you really want to be invited, take your time to answer those questions, and feel free to ask me questions, because throughout the workshop I will be answering them live for you, and I will bring some of you on live and coach you live. You know, again, all for free, 100% free and live. This upcoming workshop, it's going to be marvelous. We're going to be using a new platform called Zoom. We've been using another platform for webinars. Now it's workshop time. So you're going to see everyone in a matrix, you know, all 200 or 500 or 1,000 people, however many show up. You're going to see them in a matrix. You're going to be seeing everyone's faces. I'll be interacting with you guys. It's going to be so much fun. Last night we did the same thing with our group coaching, and it was fantastic. I'll be showing you guys some videos. I'll be taking you through the website. What does the membership site involve? If you become an Academy resident, what does that involve? And you being a founding member of this Academy, what advantages does it bring you? What benefits does it bring you? What benefits does the supplement bring you, the herb supplement? So yeah, man, been working really hard on this for the last 8 months, and we're very excited to bring this to you. Again, click the button below, apply, tell your friends, tell everyone that you love who would benefit from this. And yeah, can't wait till the workshop, working really hard, preparing all the science, all the articles, all the videos for you guys for this Academy that will be launched. And the herb will be available to purchase at this workshop. And again, this stuff sells out really fast. It takes us a while to even make, because it's so specialized, it's so exclusive, and the ingredients are so pure and natural, and exactly how they're sourced, how they're harvested, how they're manufactured. I'll be telling you all that. No one will tell you that, but I want to tell you and be very transparent with you, man. So yeah, just wanted to let you know, this is Dr. Farhan Khawaja, and I will see you soon. Click the button below, get started, and I am so excited about the workshop. And yeah, go back to work now. All right? Ciao, man.